Hey, what's up, guys? Welcome back to Space City Cannabis. Welcome to another unboxing. But before we get started, go ahead and drop a like, leave a comment, and don't forget to subscribe. So today we have the Bomb E-Rig. Of course, their website is going to be down below. I'm going to go ahead and put it right here, Bomb Official. Be sure to use code Space City. Code Space City is going to go ahead and save you 10% off. So the Bomb E-Rig is a brand new rig out on the market. It is very affordable. You guys have seen a bunch of YouTubers with them. I guess I am one of those guys now. So Bomb was kind enough to go ahead and send over a unit for review. I just want to make sure that I bring it to you guys as it is an affordable option. This is pretty comparable to the Carta 2. Let me go ahead and show that to you guys as well. So it has a lot of the same features. The one main difference is that it's not going to have these buttons and it's not going to have the screen, guys. But apart from that, it has the temp control. So as you guys can see, it has a little screen. It has temp control. It has single button use. 5 clicks turns it on. 2 clicks, I believe, it's going to preheat it. If you do 3 clicks, it's going to go ahead and take you into the temperature settings. And I believe the 4 clicks is what transfers it over from Fahrenheit to Celsius. But of course, we can go over the manual right here. Just a quick second, just to make sure that I am giving you guys the correct info. So let's go ahead and unbox this and let's get the review going. Let's go ahead and take a look at the packaging before we do that. So we got the Bomb E-Rig, we got the device right here. We got the side panels to let you know a few of the features: precise temperature control, easy operation, multicolor light. This is what I really like, is the USB-C charging and as well as the multicolor light. Very comparable to the Carta 2 in the way that it has those different color LEDs that flash, right? So now looking at the other side, we have the 18 millimeter deep ceramic atomizer. We have 360-degree sidewall heating. We have rotatable carb cap, so it's going to have that joystick, and it's easy to clean, guys. So looking on the back side, this is everything that's going to be included with the package. You're going to get the actual device. You're going to get a nice little funnel piece. This is what's going to be used to fill up the actual glass piece with water. We have a USB-C charging device, as well as some cotton swabs and a nice little dab tool, guys. So let's go ahead and take the sleeve off. Nice packaging right here. We got the Bomb, nice white box. I like that it's magnet, guys. So it's nice quality product. It's got a nice magnet clasp right here. So you just lift it up. And let's go ahead and take a look at this device, guys. So this is what your device is going to look like when you get it. You're going to have a nice little manual, user manual with what's inside. Quick start. So make sure that you guys are charging it before you guys start it up. Adding water. Here we go. That's what the funnel is for. Starting up, 5 clicks. And here we go, talking about the clicks, guys. So temperature settings. Yep, so 3 times quick click, enter precise temperature setting mode. If you long press it, that's what's going to be allow you to scroll through the temps. If you click it single time, that's going to go in single digit increments, just like it says right here. Feel free to pause the video if you guys would like to go over the settings right there. 4 times clicking it is going to change it from Fahrenheit to Celsius, just like I had mentioned before. Heat mode activation, double click goes into the automatic heating press. Now, if you want to manually heat it, you just got to press and hold, and that'll start heating it up, guys. It says the light will turn solid green once it reaches the preset temperature and ready to inhale. Rotating the card cap to provide 360-degree directional airflow for more consistent heating, giving you bigger clouds and better flavor, guys. So super dope. I like that they include this nice little styrofoam insert. That's really dope. And wow, guys, let's take a look at this device. I gotta say, I do like the size on it. It's very portable. I like the color on this. I do wish that they had a different offering in the atomizers. I'm sure that's going to be coming further down the line. But I would like, you know, a blue atomizer or a red or a green or, you know, just a different variety of colors. But I'm sure that is in the works, guys. So let's go ahead and take the device out. Let me zoom you guys back out. And of course, we will go over everything inside, but I just want to take a quick second to look at the actual device. It's got a nice weight to it, so it's not like a cheap plasticky feel. This is like a nice metal, I would say. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We see that it turns right on, guys. Super cool. We got the temp set at 475 already, and it's going to go ahead and flash through the colors there, guys. Super fire. Just really nice, neat little device. Let's go ahead and pop the cap. Let's take a look. And let me grab my light, as my lighting is not the best, guys, but we're making it happen, y'all. As you guys can see here, this is what the device is going to look like. USB-C charging port. Here's the atomizer ceramic bowl, the joystick, the infamous joystick. And let's go ahead and zoom you guys in here to see what that's looking like, guys. You don't want to smash it all over the place. You want to just be nice and gentle with it, guys. Just nice and smooth. Sometimes you don't got to smash it. Sometimes you just got to caress it a little bit, guys. Getting fingerprints all over this thing already, but hey, at the end of the day, it is mine, so excuse me. Let's put this off to the side, and let's go ahead and take a look at what's in the box, guys. So we got this nice little neat box right here. We have this insert. Nothing underneath the insert, as you guys can see. Just in case you guys were wondering, let's go ahead and pop that back in there. Sorry, I had to manhandle that for a second. So close that, and let's see what we got here, guys. So here goes that funnel we were mentioning. So we got the funnel. We got the USB charging cord. Oh, nice. Nice little Ziploc bag. We got 4 Q-tips, just like it said. Nice sharp edges, just like the glob mops. This is a neat dab tool, guys. This has a nice weight to it. It's got a nice fat end right there. This will be dope for your rolls as well, guys. You can use the back as like a packing tool, or if you guys have a nice little bowl or a piece of glass on the side, you can use that to pack in your bowls as well. Nice, neat little device right there, guys. Useful for sure, and as well as the USB-C charging cord, guys. So nice to have all those right included in the box. That is everything. Now, what do you guys say we go ahead and take it for a spin, y'all? Let me go ahead and pause the video here. Just wanted to showcase these last few accessories that come with it. And what should we throw in it, guys? I do believe I still have some of this Crisp-Co rosin. This is going to be the scoop. Tier 1, of course. Super stanky. Very fruity, gassy, and just real pungent terps on this guy. So very excited to test this out. And of course, we will be right back. Alright guys, before we get started here, I had to fill up the glass piece here. It is recommended that you use the funnel and that you fill it up at the highest, I believe, like halfway through the cone right there. But again, refer to the user manual just for the most accurate description, guys. I also wanted to showcase that this is just like the Carta, just like a miniature size version of it. When you're putting it back in, make sure that you're matching up the air hole right here with the hole that's in the cavity right there. Just go ahead and slip it back on just like that. Super easy. Put it on the table, give it one more press down just to make sure that it's really well seated in there. One thing that I also want to mention to you guys is as soon as you cut it on, this atomizer is going to heat up to 200 degrees. It's going to go ahead and go over that in the manual as well. So I just want you guys to know before you guys get started that this atomizer is going to heat up to 200 degrees. So it is going to be warm to the touch. So just be advised, guys. All right, just want to go over that with you guys. Let's go ahead and load it up, guys. What do you guys say? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Starting right up. All right, guys, gonna go ahead and let that just warm up for just a quick second. All right, so as it's warming up, Now you can go ahead and double click it, or you can hold it down. It says once the light turns green after you've initiated the warm-up, that's when it comes up to the temperature that it's set at right here. So let's go ahead and open up our rosin here. We're going to open up our atomizer. And as I mentioned, guys, this is going to be warm to the touch, so it's already warming up to 200 degrees. So please, please, please be careful, y'all. Let's go ahead and grab our rosin right here. Let's go ahead and go in with a nice size scoop right here. All right, guys. Let's go ahead and brush it on the side there, going down the side walls. We'll put our tool to the side. And as you can see, it's already starting to melt down right there. Let's go ahead and put our cap on. And let's go ahead and give it a rip, guys. As you can see, temperature's going up. Gonna wait until it turns green, and then we will let it rip, guys. Temperature climbing, we're getting close. And it's green, guys. Let's go ahead and let it rip. Nice cloud production. Super solid. Now it is going to be hard on the throat. So hit it soft, guys. Hit it soft. All right, guys. Now if we see here, the session timer is set to 23 seconds. As we can see right there, 23 seconds. Hopefully you guys can see that. Looks like 28, but I promise, guys, it's 23. Take a look at the inside. Solid, y'all. The only thing I'm going to advise is that you throw a couple turp pearls in there. Will probably be a great idea. And also just be advised that the atomizer is hot to the touch. So just be careful if you guys are in a closed environment and you guys brush this up against you. Be very careful, guys. Let's go ahead and give it another rip with the last little remnants of what was in there. Now this is going to be a hot rip, guys. That is one note that I do want you guys to take away. These are going to be hot dabs, guys. So hit it with caution. Don't rip it like you would normally do. Don't rip it like you would with the Carta 2, guys. I'm not sure if you have to hold it. I'm holding it. I'm going to let it go. And then the timer's running right there. If you want to warm it back up, just hold it down. It'll warm back up to temp. Once it turns green, it's good to go, guys. I'm just holding it down as I do it and hitting the joystick, y'all. A really nice, neat device, guys. Once you get it down, you won't be coughing as much. It is a hot dab. I do want you guys to know that. But once you've got it down, it's nice and smooth, as you guys can see. I took that hit the first time, made me cough a little bit as I was not sure what to expect, so I hit it just like I would any other e-rig. But once you get it down, guys, this is a very nice, neat device, y'all. Especially if you're on the go. Definitely would be cool to see them come out with some on-the-go accessories, kind of like the Focus V, maybe a travel pack. The little backpack design seems to be very popular, and with the shape of this, it'll be very easy for you guys to come out with a nice separate section that Comes out with a strap that keeps this in place, even like a nice styrofoam mold with 3 or 4 cutouts to put your jars in and your accessories, guys. So that's my only takeaway from this, or my only notes that I would add. This is a very comparable device to the Carta 2, and for a nice price, guys. Let me see what the price is right here. I have it pulled up. I believe it's going to be, yep, it's going to be $179, guys. So if you guys use coupon code Space City, that's going to go ahead and save you 10% off. So that's going to be about $18 that you're going to save. It comes in a variety of colors. It comes in black, white, and the brand new color teal. I'm sure they're going to come out with some new atomizers in the future. They do come out with, or they do have another piece of glass that's like a nice cone shape that's very similar to the Peak. So be sure to use code Space City. I do believe that's going to be 10% off of everything in the shop, including the accessories. So if you guys buy 2 atomizers and that Peak style glass as a bundle, you're going to get, that's going to be only $119, guys. So if you buy 2 atomizers, you're going to get the glass for free. I'm sorry, I read that completely wrong and I probably confused you guys, but at the end of the story, if you guys buy 2 additional atomizers, you will get the free glass, guys. So that's $119 for 2 atomizers and a nice new glass top right there, guys. So super dope. Once we give a little once over this thing, we're going to go ahead and wrap up this review. Overall, hitting pretty nice. Big shout out to all the guys out there that, you know, are smoking on a budget. This is a very neat device for you. And yeah, guys, check it out, man. So with all that being said, make sure you guys check out my Instagram at official Space City Cannabis. Make sure you guys are checking out my campsite.bio, where you will find a link to Bomb Official, as well as the coupon code, which is going to be Space City. And don't forget to check out the Discord as well, guys. And with all that being said, thank you guys so much for watching. This unboxing has been brought to you by Space City Cannabis, and I'm going to catch you guys on the next one. Peace.